Budgets are always at the forefront of our mind when renovating a home or remodeling a room. Often they can be restricting and force us to go with a low-cost option, but this doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the look of your home. It's still possible to keep the home consistent and looking gorgeous throughout. All that's required is to become a little crafty with your spending. Here are some hints on how you can save here and there to make your dream home achievable. When working with old homes, they tend to have timber window frames which can often be reused. With this in mind, I like to keep the timber detailing in the main living areas where window coverings are often open and the windows and doors can be seen. To help with budget, use low-cost aluminium window frames down the side of the house or in bedrooms and bathrooms, where the window coverings are often closed and can't be seen from the road or backyard. Another area is kitchens and bathrooms. Now these are spaces that can soak up a great portion of the budget, but there are still ways you can reduce the chance of cost blowouts. A lot of heritage style houses feature custom joinery that has been built to last. In a lot of instances, you can get away with just a simple resurfacing or replacement of the doors and drawers. However, if you do find the joinery beyond repair, or if it's not a heritage style home, don't overlook flat pack, ready-made cabinetry. These days, there's a wide range of quality, fully adjustable and affordable options available to you. That being said, you'll want to make sure that the style of joinery matches the look you're going for. When renovating a bathroom, avoid repositioning anything that is connected to plumbing. Doing so will require a great deal of money, not to mention time. Also, when tiling, you don't always have to tile to the ceiling. This can cut costs on your tiling budget significantly, and it does suit the older style homes beautifully. When it comes to interior styling and fittings, it's a good idea to choose the colour palette once you have an idea of what furniture is going to be placed within the space. I always say to my clients, even if you don't have the budget to finish the space with all of the furniture and accessories straight away, have your look sorted. So when you do buy, you buy once and you buy well. Once you have the room planned, you can use the furniture as inspiration, lifting a tone from a rug or a sofa, like we did here. We kept the trims a beautiful crisp white and went for a nice neutral off-white in the main living areas, to keep everything light and bright, which works well and allows us to achieve that consistent style throughout the home. Working to a budget doesn't mean a sacrifice on look and feel. Even with some crafty spending, you can still create your dream home.